In this experiment, we will learn how a fuse works. First, your teacher will connect a piece of foil from a gum wrapper to a circuit. Now switch on the power supply. Slowly increase the voltage output of the power supply until the current is about 5A. What happens to the foil when the current increases? Allow the foil to cool down before removing it from the circuit. Then, cut the foil into the shape as shown. The thickness of the center part is about 2 millimeters. Switch on the power supply and increase the voltage output again until the current is about 5A. What happens to the foil this time? Prepare another foil with a narrower center part, about 1 millimeter this time. Switch on the power supply and increase the voltage output again until the current is about 5A. What happens to the foil? When the current passes through the foil, heat is produced. When the current increases, the foil becomes hot. If the foil is wide, the heat causes no observable change to the foil, but when the foil is narrow enough, the heat can cause the foil to melt. This is similar to how a fuse works. A fuse melts when the current flowing through it becomes too large. After the fuse melts, the circuit becomes open and therefore the current stops flowing.